According to the letter submitted to the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District, the HYC expressed their concern over the issue of fencing around the transformers that are in the area, but as per their complaint, it was told that the official of the MEPDCL were asking for money to do the construction, which was supposed to be free according to the Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana scheme. The HYC also expressed that fencing around the transformers in and around the area was not done till date, even after a lot of written applications requesting the authority to do so. It was reported that these transformers were constructed nearby people's houses and in the roadside, which could put someone's life in danger, especially of children and cattle. Therefore, the HYC urged the authority to look into the matter seriously before any accident take place, because as of now, if anything happened, who will take the responsibility?
Dit ke bakrau, kalau ke ne ke benta nomor ba yang ba kamdei ke benta ban lumpisa, andai solusi ba ban tip ba di ketika subdivision, lek ba kinok tre jongka ke lumpisa kan, kalau kan ne ka, cik penting lagi, lek ba skim sau bagian.